Is Teachers' Day a day to honor those who help us to learn and grow. Teachers' Day is a moment to express gratitude to those who expend gratitude to dedicate their lives to the noble professions of teaching. We celebrate the birth of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a legendary teacher and former President of India. We honor his legacy and contribution to education by celebrating Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Let us now welcome our Honorable Correspondent Ma'am, who is known among all her wisdom and knowledge is noble for to come on stage and say few words.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a special day, a day to celebrate, a day to express our gratitude to our teachers for their dedication, guidance and support. Truly their wisdom and encouragement help us to grow and succeed. Happy Teachers' Day to all the amazing teachers present here today. Happy Teachers' Day. When you look behind exceptional people, there is an exceptional teacher. So today I remember all my teachers at school and college, and I sincerely thank them for their guidance and support, without which I would not have been able to stand here as a doctor or a teacher. So likewise, you all have to thank your teachers for their invaluable contributions to education and personal development. So let us all say a big thank you together to all the teachers for being so wonderful. Say thank you, teachers. Whose birthday is today? Yes, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. Who is he? He was the second president. Okay. So before becoming a president, he was an educator, a scholar. So when he became a president, all his students came to him and said they wanted to celebrate his birthday on September 5th. So he said, instead of celebrating that day as his birthday, why not you all celebrate this as Teachers' Day? So that's how the Teachers' Day came in. He had so much of respect and he adored teachers that much. So he used to say that teachers are the architects who shape your minds, your hearts, and thereby your future. He also says that they are the burning candles who burn themselves to enlighten your future. So, as a part of management, I am very proud to say that I have a team of great teachers who dedicate themselves and work hard and spend so much of time and energy to teach students. And at this moment, I would like to appreciate all the teachers for being so wonderful and for your dedication, appreciation. So let us all strive to be lifelong learners and continue to appreciate the invaluable role of teachers in our lives. Though all my teachers are amazing, today we have selected 3 teachers as best teachers. This is based on the students' feedback. So before I announce the name of the teachers, I would sincerely express my gratitude to our young, energetic and vibrant principal, Mr. Dheeraj, for his unwavering support and guidance. His leadership and dedication to creating a positive learning environment is really appreciated. His commitment to fostering a culture of excellence has not only elevated the standard of education at SKVM, but also inspired the teachers to strive for the best in every endeavor. I appreciate the time and effort he invests in addressing the needs of the students and ensuring that the school operates smoothly. I would like to congratulate him on the fantastic changes that he has brought in to the school this academic year, and improvement made are truly dramatic. I have not appreciated him much for anything before. I most of the time find out the faults and drawbacks and ask him to correct them. That's not because not to disappoint him, but I want to improve himself and become the best academician and administrator. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to show my appreciation for the work, the time and efforts he is putting in to bring the school to the next higher level. Congratulations. And I would like to honor him with a small gift. Now the most awaited moment, the Best Teacher Award for higher classes goes to two teachers. The first one is teacher Mrs. Shanmugavai, the vice principal and the math teacher. She is a very sincere, dedicated and a strict teacher. A very strict teacher who puts in lots of efforts to teach students and motivate them and also maintains a strict discipline among students. She never hesitates to stay behind even after 8 o'clock. So this award is given to her. So this award is given to her tireless efforts and commitment to education. Thank you for your extraordinary efforts, ma'am, and we are truly grateful for this. The best award again goes to the teacher who is a very favorite and loved one by not only the higher class students but also by the primary students, that is teacher Gayatri. She is a very active and dynamic person who is always as busy as a bee. I see her flying from one block to another block like a bee, and whatever subject I give her to handle, she handles it without saying no. Very humble and dedicated to work. Being an engineer, she has a passion for teaching. I appreciate her for her work and wish her good luck in future. The Best Teacher Award for the primary section goes to teacher Mabel Sonia. To the world, she's just a teacher, but for the students, she's a hero. The best lessons are learned not from the books, but from the hearts of truly great teachers like you. A very soft-spoken and lovable teacher who aspires to reach heights by dedicating herself in learning the teaching skills through hard work. She is a person who is always willing to learn more and improve her teaching skills in the field of education as a teacher. Being a lovable mother of 2 kids, she has now won the hearts of so many children here at school. I am very happy to give this award to you. And this award makes you know how much you're
Super miss.
I also invite the other teachers to come on to the stage and receive the honor. I call upon Mr. Neeraj, Teacher Sudha and Teacher Dhanalakshmi. Teacher Sudha and Teacher Dhanalakshmi are Tamil teachers who strive hard to develop an interest in Tamil language among students. Congratulations. Teacher Cynthia, a very polite and simple person who shows motherly affection towards students. An young, vibrant, charming and student-friendly teacher who spends a lot of time with students. Teacher Sangeeta. Down-to-earth person, soft-spoken and very talented, Teacher Vijay Shankar. Embarrassment, okay. Very sweet and soft to the students and is liked by all kids, Teacher Sri Devi. I call all our kindergarten teachers, Teacher Manaswini, Teacher Swati and Teacher Manohari, who dedicate themselves in teaching the small kids with a lot of patience. Where is Swati? Mrs. Sri Harish, Library in charge. Last but not the least, PT Master, the teacher.